Sarvebhyah namo namaha. Namaste to everyone. Welcome to our YouTube channel Vidya Chetana Samskritam. So today's topic is Varna Krida. Today we are going to play with Varnas, letters. So in this topic, the first subtopic we are studying today is Samyukta Vyanjana. The meaning of the word Samyukta Vyanjana is joining of two Vyanjana letters to find a new Vyanjana letter. To find a new Vyanjana letter. Example for Samyukta Vyanjana is Ksha. As I told in the previous class, Vyanjana letters are dependent letters. They are always written with Halant symbol. So to give a complete formation to it, we add Swara letters to it. Correct? So here in Samyukta Vyanjana, we are going to join two Vyanjana letters together to find a new Vyanjana letter. Ksha is made by two Vyanjana letters, that is Ka Halant plus Sh Halant. And one more example, Gnya. Ja Halant plus Gnya Halant. So these are the examples for Samyukta Vyanjana. Few more examples for Samyukta Vyanjana. Tra. Tra is a letter which is made by two Vyanjana letters called Ta Halant plus Ra Halant. And Shra. Sha is made by two Vyanjana letters Sh Halant plus Ra Halant. And Dya is a letter which is made by Da Halant plus Ya Halant. So these are the few examples for Samyukta Vyanjana letters. So these are going to help us in Sanskrit to frame a new words by joining these letters together. The second topic we are playing with Varnas, letters today is called Varna Samyojanam or Varna Samyog, Varna Samyojanam or Varna Samyog. The word Varna Samyojana meaning joining of Vyanjana and Swara letters. Vyanjana and Swara letters. So this Varna Samyojana is going to help us to frame Shabdas, that is words in Sanskrit. So I will give one example for this. The first example, Ma Halant plus A. By joining these two letters, we found a new letter called Ma. Ta Halant plus A. By joining these two letters, we found a letter called Ta. By joining these two letters, we found a word, new word, Mata, which means mother. So Varna Samyojanam is going to help us to frame new words in Sanskrit by joining Swara and Vyanjana letters. The second example for Varna Samyojanam. Pa Halant plus A is Pa. Ta Halant plus Ra Halant plus A is Tra and Ma Halant. The new word found here is Patram, which is used for leaf in Sanskrit. So this way, by Varna Samyojanam topic, we are going to frame a new words in Sanskrit. The third subtopic in Varna Krida is Varna Vichhed or Varna Vichedan. Varna Vichedanam. Varna Vichedanam is disjoining. So here we are disjoining letters, that is we are splitting letters from a word in Sanskrit. So I will give example for this. So there is a word called Pita. So how to split this? Pahalant plus E is P. Tahalant plus A is Ta. So this is how the disjoining is done. The next example I will give for Shikshak. So Shikshak is a teacher. How to disjoin the first letter? Shahalant plus E is she. Ksha. So as we learnt in the previous subtopic, this belongs to Samyukta Vyanjana letter. So this will be divided into Kahalant plus Shahalant plus A. So this is a Ksha. And the last letter is Ka. Kahalant plus A. So this is how we do the disjoining or Varna Vichedan of Samyukta Vyanjana letter related words. So this is called Varna Vichedan in Sanskrit. The fourth subtopic in Varna Krida is Shabda Prakar. What is the Shabda Prakar? In Sanskrit, the words are identified on the basis of their ending letters. By Varna Vichedan, we are going to find the ending letter of a word. The finding ending letter of a word in Sanskrit is called Shabda Prakar. The word which is called in Sanskrit is Pratipadika, or you can say the root word. So we are going to find the Shabda Prakar of Sanskrit root word. So I will give one example here. There is a word called Balak. What is the Shabda Prakar of this Balak word? So first we need to split the letter. Bahalant plus A, Lahalant plus A, Kahalant plus A. So Shabda Prakar is called finding the ending letter of a word. So now the ending letter of this word is A. So on the basis of ending letters, the words are divided in Sanskrit. So the Balak word belongs to Akaranta word. I will give few more examples. There is a word called Lata. Just split this word to find the Shabda Prakar of it. Lahalant plus A, Tahalant plus A. So A is the ending letter. A is the Shabda Prakar of Lata. So Lata word belongs to Akaranta Shabdas group. So the same way there is a word called Nadi. What is the ending letter of this Nadi? That is E. So this Nadi Shabda belongs to Ekaranta Shabdas group. So there is a word called Rajan. So the ending letter of this word is Nahalant. So this is Nakaranta Shabda. So Shabda Prakar can be Swara ending letters or Vyanjana ending letters. So this is the concept called Shabda Prakar in Sanskrit.